orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly. The Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
House renovation. Gattu and Chinky's house was under renovation. After school day, Hari, Bunty and Goody also came to see the house with Gattu and Chinky. They were super excited to check out the renovation work. The kids were really surprised when they saw the house.
Hey Gattu and Chinky, all the furniture is covered with the white sheets and everything is all over the place. Hey Gattu and Chinky, where do you all sleep? Hari, right now the renovation is happening in Mummy and Daddy's room and the kitchen. So their bed is in our room. We all sleep together there. Oh, that must be so much fun, Gattu and Chinky. Sleeping together with everyone. Yes, Hari. And you know, before bed, Dad tells us amazing stories. And we talk for a really long time. Wow, that sounds like so much fun.
Just then, Mummy saw the kids coming into the living room.
Oh, kids, what are you all doing here? Welcome.
Hello, Auntie.
Hello, kids. Okay, now you all do one thing. Go and sit in Gattu Chinky's room. There's a lot of stuff scattered around in other rooms. Okay? Meanwhile, I'll get you all something cold to drink. Okay?
Okay, Auntie.
Gattu and Chinky took everyone to their room.
Friends, would you like to see the blueprint of our house? What? Blueprint? What's that, Gattu? Are you going to paint your entire house in blue color? Hari, not blue paint, blueprint. It's a drawing that shows what a house will look like after the renovation. Got it, Hari?
I got it, Chinky, got it.
Look, Hari, Goody and Bunty. This is the blueprint. Dad said they are going to paint cartoons on our room's wall. I am really excited for those cartoons. Wow, really? That sounds awesome. And that's not all. The outside balcony will be renovated too. And you know what? Papa is also putting a new swing in the balcony. Wow, Gattu and Chinky, we will definitely come to see your house after this beautiful renovation.
At that moment, Mummy arrived over there with juice in disposable glasses for them.
Yes, kids. Make sure to come after the renovation is done. We'll have a home welcoming party too. And in that party, you all have to come. Okay? Here, have some juice now. Oh, Auntie, these are disposable cups. Yes, Goody dear. With all the renovation, everything is a bit of a mess. So we are using disposables. The kitchen work is still going on. Oh, okay, Auntie.
After having juice, everyone headed back to their own homes. A few days later, the renovation was finished. Gattu and Chinky had a home welcoming party with their friends and many people from the society. The secretary uncle said to Gattu and Chinky, "I must say, Gattu and Chinky, your house looks brand new."
Thank you, Uncle. Yes, Gattu and Chinky, everything looks beautiful. And the Mickey Mouse painting in your room is really very nice. Goody, Hari, Bunty, come on. Let me show you the new swing on the balcony. Yes, let's go. We all can swing together. Okay.
All the kids went to see the swing. It was really beautiful. They all sat on the swing together.
This is so much fun. I don't want to get off this swing. I am enjoying so much here. Isn't it, friends? You are absolutely right, Goody. And see, we all can sit together in this.
Just then, Mummy arrived with snacks.
What's up, kids? Why aren't you coming inside for snacks? Don't you want to get off the swing? Yes, Mummy. We are having so much fun here. Can you please bring the snacks here? We'll eat them here only. Alright, kids. I already bought snacks for you. But be careful not to drop them, okay? Okay, Mummy.
The kids ate snacks and chatted while sitting on the swing. It started getting dark and it was time for everyone to go home.
We should head home now, Gattu and Chinky. Okay, Goody. We had so much fun because you all came.
Then the kids went back to the drawing room.
Oh, Gattu and Chinky, we almost forgot. We bought a little gift for your family. Really? What's that, Hari? Look, Gattu, this is the gift, and I'm sure you all will like this gift very much.
Goody gave Gattu a gift. Gattu and Chinky opened it together. Inside was a small statue of Ganpati Bappa.
Wow, kids, this statue is really beautiful. I will put it at the entrance of the house. Really, Auntie? Yes, kids, why not? Let me place it there right now.
Mummy placed the statue on the table at the entrance. All the kids were very happy to see this.
There is more in this gift. Wow, it's a handmade card. Did you all make it? Hari, Bunty and Goody? Yes, Tinky, we made it together. Did you like the card? This card is also very cute, friends. Thank you so much for this card. Haha, you are welcome, Gattu and Chinky.
Oh, I also brought a gift for your new home. Oh, let's see it. Secretary Uncle gave Papa a new nameplate. Here you go. A new nameplate for your new home. Everyone liked the nameplate a lot. It had the names of Mummy, Papa and Gattu and Chinky written on it.
Wow, Uncle, this is a great gift. Yes, Uncle, thank you so much.
Papa put the nameplate outside the house. And everyone chatted and enjoyed the party. After some time, the party ended and everyone went back to their homes. Mummy, Papa, Gattu and Chinky were really happy with their newly renovated home. You've got a parcel from Puntoon Kids.
Oh, it's here. Kids, why don't you go and open it? It is for you. Wow, Mummy, there are so many products in it. What is fishing fun, Mummy? I will give you one letter and you have to pick that letter with the help of the fishing rod. Wow! So we will learn letters while fishing. And see this, it is called fishing fingers. It will help you improve your eye-hand coordination. Hold this lace and try to put beads in it one by one. Mummy, it is a very cool gift. It has so many products. We are having a lot of fun with it. What box is this? It is Puntoon Kids Learning Box, which we are presenting for the kids of nursery, junior KG and senior KG. If you also want to order this box, then click on the link provided in the description, or you can send a WhatsApp message or call on the number given below. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.